Ayan na naman sila, guys. Look! Tingnan niyo yung ad na to. Oh, congratulations. Englishera, halata. Congratulations, your loan is approved. Padaan-daan po sa feed, guys. Ganito yung sinasabi. O, diba? Maiengganyo ka pag ganito. EMI, that's, I don't know, that I think that's estimated monthly interest na 316 daw per month. I don't know. 10-year daw is 180 days. So, ayan naman sila, guys. 10,000 daw. Total amount payable is 11,900. Kung totoo to, di bongga, diba? Padaan-daan sa feed. Itong si Cash UM Credit Cash Loan app daw. Sponsored. Huwag nyo munang utangan. Sinubukan ko siya para sa inyo, guys. Dapat kasi meron ko yung mga heads up sa mga ganito mga online loan platform. Makita nyo sa feed nyo, huwag na muna. Panoorin nyo na lang yung video na to. So, keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here, your original utang queen. And when it comes to online loan platforms, I am your go-to guy. Anyway, so kung hindi pa kayo subscribe sa channel, please subscribe. Kasi dito online loan platforms po yung pinag-uusapan. And we're here to take control of our credit history. Hindi para magpalot-loko sa mga paasa ng mga online loan platforms. Mukha siyang bago. Take note, mukha siyang bago. Kasi dadaan-daan sa feed, sasabihin, congratulations! 10,000 daw! So pag kinlik mo yung install na, dadalhan ka niya sa App Store kung saan po siya mada-download. This video is not sponsored. It's based on my personal experience, so sinubukan ko siya para sa inyo. At the end of the video, kung gusto nyo pa rin umutang dito, nasa inyo na yan. So, ito nga, napunta ako sa iOS nung hinit ko yung install na. At nakakagulat. Download ko syempre yung app para masubukan, no? Duh. Sabi ng loan app na to, ito na Usbong Mindanao. I don't know kung ginagamit lang yun yung credentials ng loan app na to. Kung talaga bang may online loan or may lending company na ganito yung pangalan. Whatever. Kaagad. 12, yung nagbigay sa kanya ng rating pero 2 stars lang. O, the more reason for us to be very careful. But anyway, looks promising. Sabi niya, apply anytime, anywhere. And then one-stop shop. No. Simple application. Really. Security and privacy and user-friendly interface. Multiple credits available. Ano, parang may feeling na ako. Service fee of the loan is 2% of the loan. Huh? Yung experience ko na lang sa loan app, yung tutukan nyo. Sabi niya, wants to track my activity daw, but no. Nilagay ko yung aking phone number, nagpadala po siya ng OTP. Yung OTP ay nanggagaling po kay loan shop. And nilagay ko yung OTP at lumabas, nakapasok ako sa dashboard niya. So, i-click mo yung apply now if you wanna continue. And then, ayun, may EMI calculator siya. Pero huwag nyo nang pansinin yan. Sige, just click submit. Hindi na ako naniniwala sa mga ganyan, guys. Imagine sasabihin niyang EMI daw is 898.43. Total interest, total payment. Ano ba yan? 3% lang daw and 5 years. Kinig mo yung apply, yun, nagiging familiar na yung ganap dito. Hingi po siya ng address, postal code, yung mga ganun. Nakiklik mo rin yung continue, ano? Hingi rin siya ng marital status, number of children, living conditions, kung rented ba yung bahay mo or sa'yo ba yan. And then just click continue. Hihingi po siya ng profession and kailangan mo yung sagutin. After that, hihingi po siya ng contact details, 3 lang. And then, email. Hihingi po siya ng credit standing. And then, just click continue if you want to continue. And then, hihingi na po siya ng ID. Siyempre, pipicturean mo yung ID. Yung mga tinatanggap niya is UMID, National ID, SSS, TIN, Passport, Driving License, Postal ID, Voter ID, and Health Card. And then just click continue if you want to continue and pipicturean mo yan. So, pagkatapos mo picturean yung ID, lalabas po yung mga details doon. So, siyempre, sa mga ganito, kailangan clear na clear yung pagkakakuha. But wait! Huwag muna. Nag-continue, mag-face scan po siya. Nag-confirm mo lang, hingi po siya kung saan mo ipapadala yung pera. And lumabas to, iba't ibang offers mga guys. Which, I don't think it really makes any difference. So, merong Cash UM, Prime Ease Funds, merong Borrow Helper PH, Mini Quick Funds. Pare-parehas lang naman yung sinasabi nila. Ano man yung i-click mo, lalabas pa rin to. So, yung kinlik ko is Cash UM kasi yun naman yung nasa Facebook, di ba? So, sabi yung 120 days daw. Ano yan? 4 months. So, lumabas yung kanyang breakdown. Hindi pa naman peso yung nakalagay. And then, interest due daw, 320. Parang ganon. Parang looks promising siya, guys. And then, amount received is 992 kasi service fee niya daw is 8. Maniniwala ba kayong ganon yun? Pero guys, matagal. Humingi pa nga siya ng location. Pag sinabit mo na yung application mo, dun siya hihingi ng access. Cash UM requires access to your contact information to protect your account and prevent fraud. Contact information is sent to our servers but is not stored or shared. Please be sure to select allow full access when authorizing. Otherwise, it may affect the review results. You can change the permission in settings. Anyway, so I click continue. Humingi siya ng access to my contacts na nasa phone book. And then, under review. Actually, magdamag ako guys na naghintay. Charot! Siyempre, natulog ako. Pero overnight, hindi po siya instant. Hindi mo instant malalaman. At hindi naman siya auto-send. Pag na-reject ka, wala namang papasok, guys, sa e-wallet nyo. Na umagahan, I found out na reject ako. And Buena Vista Financing Corporation. Diba to? Nakakalito yung mga hindi natin alam kung sino ba talaga yung nagpapautang. Medyo skeptic ako sa mga ganito, pero that's just me. That's how I feel. This video is not sponsored. It's based on my personal experience. Nakakalito po yung maraming platforms yung lumalabas sa iisang app lang. Cashew, meron po siyang delete account. Pero, ewan natin kung nadidelete pa talaga. So, magdamag ako naghintay ng result. And then, reject ako. Buti na lang wala pumasok sa Grab. Kasi para sa akin, para sa akin, this is how I feel. This is what I think after na-try ko yung app. Kasi yun nga, dinownload ko. Hindi ako nag-base sa mga comments lang Para sa akin, X po siya. It's not worth it. Huwag nyo nang bigyan ng personal information nyo. Dapat alam natin kung sino tayo umuutang. Hindi yung parang marketplace siya ng lahat ng mga kautangan, diba? Ito nga, may nagsasabi na, this was disbursed to me without me even agreeing. 2% service fee, it says. Di ba sabi kanina 2% service fee? But it was 35%. False advertisement pala to. Apparently, I was approved for 6,000 without my knowledge. Kasi di ba yung pinapakita nila 10,000 pesos. So, magugulat ka na lang. Ito pala yung in-approve. Ito pala yung pinadala. Parang naalala ko tuloy si si Pass Credit. Yun. Parang si Pass Credit nga siya. Tsaka si Sagay Credit. Ang ganun sila. Parang deja vu. So, it also showed me equal payments of 3 months, but they changed the terms and payment. Don't borrow from this app. I contacted support immediately and said I didn't want the loan. Huwag tayo dito, best. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Pero nasa inyo pa rin yung gusto nyo magpatuloy o hindi. After all, kayo naman yung may hawak ng budget nyo. Kayo naman yung may hawak ng cellphone nyo. Please, be careful. Study the loan terms and agreement. Dapat aware kayo sa mga pinapasukan nyo. Huwag yung pindot-pindot. Utang po kasi ito, guys. It's a responsibility. It's an obligation. At prevention is always better than cure. Ayaw natin ng sakit sa ulo, diba? So, I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Kung meron kayong mga loan apps na gusto nyo pasilip, I'll try my best. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng ibang mga loan apps na legit at na-try ko na, you can check this playlist. Kasi, baka andun yung loan app na baka okay kayo dun, Pero, nasa inyo na yan, mga guys. So, that's all for today's video. I'll see you on my next vlog.